Okay, here we are, level 3, question 3, and I have to apologize for this because when I looked at the question, there's no angle given for the cat. So I think many of the problems would be the angle, so I decided we'll just use a 45-degree angle and see what happens. And then once you know the angle, obviously what you can do is you can use projectiles, and you can solve for the speed that would be needed by the cat to make that shot. And that's just using standard projectiles. Now, solving for the speed's a little tricky. You got to use a little bit of substitution there, but that's something you can handle. So hopefully that part is easy. And then when you're done, you have to make the realization that the speed that you have initially, the v that you find, is, of course, means that you start this flight. The cat starts with some kinetic energy. And that kinetic energy that the cat gets comes from the spring. So you can set up a spring energy, kinetic energy equation using your V here, and eventually out will pop the K value from here. So my bad on the angle. I borrowed this question from another test where you had to solve for X.